life forms on other planets? Are you related in any way to the goddess or nature? Wait, what are you? You are the wait.
Yeah, call me goddess.
Wait, you are the... No, you're not the warden. You're not... You're keeper! Are you the keep? Are you?
Yeah.
You're the keeper! I see. Wait, what's Bay? Wait,
She's just chaos.
she's just chaos.
They couldn't come up with another word. They ran out of synonyms
They got
for guardian.
speaker of space, right?
Yeah.
Speaker of space, keeper of nature, warden of time, guardian of civilization, rat.
Yes.
I see. Okay. I see. I never thought about that.
That's chaos, right?
I suppose so.